Welcome to the Raw Entrepreneurs Cheat Fund Advisory Service, RECAS. RECAS Forex Academy, ROFA, intends to simplify foreign exchange trade to the understanding of each and every one. At the end of the video, if you are satisfied, you can send a message through WhatsApp through 237-665-265161, or just write to us for mentorship at recasforex2023@gmail.com. Foreign exchange trade, as you know, is one of the most challenging, risky, and rewarding professions on earth. And to become a professional trader is not an easy task. It takes training, passion, persistence, discipline, and commitment. Recas Forex Academy will accompany you in your dream to become a successful Forex trader. Let's look at the brief history of Forex. Forex stands for Forex Exchange Market, trade whereby it was first developed to facilitate cross-border trade after exchange rates were allowed to float freely in 1971. Throughout the 80s and the 90s, access to the forex market was limited to banks, funds, commodity trading advisors, and big investors. Of recent, forex trade has gained increasing recognition as a means of individuals to speculate in the global market. And in the early 2000s, the online forex trading market was born. It is also good for a forex trader to know some statistics about forex. It's one of the largest online market you can think of. It has over 77.29 million traders, spread as follows. China has 16.44 million, India 2.64 million, United States of America 16.79 million, Japan 12.70 million, and the rest of the world 20.65 million. In Africa, 1.3 million forex traders could be located, with over 190,000 coming from South Africa. This statistics is good enough to inspire any would-be trader to know that it's a wide market and you are not alone. Wherever you find yourself, you will be amongst traders, so you can easily seek help. For us to understand forex, we need to look at these 5 lessons in chronology. Lesson 1, Understanding Forex. In this lesson, we'll be able to give you the jargons of the trade, the basics of forex trade, and the principles behind forex. All we know is that in forex, we are either buying when the trend is upward or selling when the trend is downward. In chapter 2, we'll look at brokers' websites and the platforms. Brokers are the go-between the banks and the traders, offering platforms through which traders can be able to trade and place their orders. In this chapter, we'll look at the different brokers, their capacities. We'll also look at brokers that are not recognized. We'll look at the platform through which we can trade, and then we'll look at how to transfer money through the different money transfer methods to our brokers for us to be able to trade. In chapter 3, we'll look at understanding the platform, the software used in trading, MT4, and probably, if we have time, MT5. In chapter 4, we'll look at forex market analysis tools. Most traders trade without knowing what fundamentals are behind their speculation. We'll look at fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis will deal with news related to economic activities of the countries whose currencies are traded. And technical analysis will enable us to see the technical tools that are embedded in the platform that we can use in a rational way to be able to monitor the trend. Chapter 5, which is the most important of it all, and this is where most people fail, because at the end of the day they work hard to make profit than to protect their capital. Whereas in almost all broker sites, the phrase "your capital is at risk" is mentioned to tell you that the first thing in trade is to safeguard your capital. If you don't safeguard your capital, it's true you can have winning trades, but at the end of the day, you may not be able to succeed in trade. Remember, just about 10% of the forex traders make it. So 90% or more of the traders do not succeed just because they don't manage where their finances. In this chapter, we'll look at capital management, we'll look at risk management, we'll look at the hopes and the fears of forex. We'll also look at forex trading plan and tricks. So the next lesson will be able to make us understand what is forex. So you download all of these notes and be able to follow. We are going to follow this content strictly when we start introducing the courses. If you enjoy this video, you can always write to us on the address on the first page of these notes. Thank you.